Hey everyone, hope you're doing okay. I wanted to talk to you real quick about what we call the lawn care calendar. And it's super important to get this right and to understand this properly so you can get the best results out of your lawn care program. Um, if you were to ask most people, they would probably tell you that the lawn care calendar year runs from, say, early spring, March, whenever your grass is coming out of dormancy, through the fall. November, whenever your grass is going back into dormancy. So March to November, that's what most people would tell you, but that's completely false. That's wrong. You've got to get that out of your head, and you've got to start thinking of September to September. That's the lawn care calendar year. Every September, it resets and starts all over again. So for us right now, the 2019 lawn care season is starting right now. This is the first application of the year and one of the most important applications of the year to lay the foundation for your weed control. It's the pre-emergent application. We're starting with the pre-emergent application. This one is going to prevent the weeds throughout the winter. It's going to prevent the weeds in early spring, even into the middle of the spring and late spring as well. So we're thinking ahead now. As soon as September hits, we're thinking ahead to 2019, to early spring, to how we're going to control the weeds in our lawn, and we're going to do that by putting our first application out, which is a pre-emergent, which has got to be done right now. We've got about 6 to 8 weeks to get that done, from the middle of September through the end of October, really. So again, lawn care calendar, it just reset. That's what you need to that's what you need to take from this. It just reset, and you need to start thinking about 2019. Don't think about your lawn right now, but think about 2019. That's what we're looking forward to, and that's why we're getting this application out right now, so that you can have a weed-free lawn early on in the year, come 2019 growing season. So, hope that helps. If you have any questions about that, let us know. Thanks.